Hi, this is Saoirse. We're back in 10 forward now, heading back to Ireland. So I just wanted to share it with you. It's actually 8 forward, and it's actually the Stena Superfast VIII going back. So it makes sense that we're in 8 forward. It's a Premier Plus Lounge. So I'll show you some of the goodies that we got. We got the wee breakfast here, the chicken sandwich. And then of course we have the munchies here, and a cappuccino, and orange juice, and some rosé wine, because we couldn't find the wine glasses, but I got that. And then a Pepsi, and some munchies, and somebody already ate some there, so. But yeah, we got some brownies, and fruit, and cheese, and then a wee sandwich here, so. Another coffee for Seamus himself there. And there he is. Welcome to the cameraman. So, yeah, here's it. Yeah, that's right. So, here's the across. It's the 10 forward, so there's the forward-looking windows. And that's good. That's a nice big lounge. And there's free reading materials. So we have the ferry guide here, and the onboard, and a newspaper, and whatever else we need. So, it's actually a rather short trip going across, so about the time you really get relaxed, it's time to disembark already. It's not like a regular cruise ship or anything. But if you take the cruise to Scandinavia or France, to Breton or someplace, you'd be on a longer time. So anyway, they have good prices for just walk on, walk off. And this is the Stena Line, and they're based out of Scandinavia. I'm thinking it's Sweden. They had the Vassal horses on there. And we're going back to Ireland. We'll be in Belfast Friday, and then we're going back to Falkirk and Donegal in the Republic. So anyway, I might do another video and show you about the ship a bit, so we'll see.